Hi guys, welcome back to channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Kemer and we're going to take a little walk around the night market.
Yes, please.
Hello, how are you? You good?
Turkish ice cream.
I'm okay.
Magic show ice cream.
You want to do the magic show for her?
Yes, ladies.
Come on then, for the lady.
Waffle ice cream. Very nice. Limon, chocolate, vanilla, pistachio. Gradational ice cream.
Traditional.
Lemon, chocolate, vanilla, pistachio. Which one?
Pistachio?
Whatever you like.
Yes, please.
Pistachio.
Ice cream. Hello. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Turkish ice cream. Turkish ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Hello.
Turkish ice cream, you can never have it.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Hoppala. Yes, please. Ice cream. Ice cream.
You look seen that kid and he just grabs it and smashes it up. He has enough.
The best ice cream.
Hey.
Hello. Yes, please. Ice cream. Maraş ice
Boy, there we go. That's what we want.
Pistachio, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, please. Okay. Ice cream. Hoppala. Hello. Hoppala.
Thank you.
For you, my friend.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
we're good,
I'm okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. There you go, guys. Make sure you come down to here.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Emre.
Ambra.
Yes.
Kirk. Nice to meet you, yeah?
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, yeah, we're going to take a walk around the market and have a little look. Is this like a food market or clothes?
Normal market.
Normal.
Yeah, şey.
Okay. Thank you, yeah?
Thank you, bye bye.
Have a good evening.
Bye bye.
So let's have a look. Sabrina gets herself a nice ice cream again.
It's really nice. Even though I'm not very hungry, but I will find a way to eat it. So cheers, everyone.
So, okay, so you've got lots of little stuff. Oh, look at this. You've got the BB guns, 30 shots. Very cool. Very cool. She got herself a pistachio ice cream again. Mm-hmm. They want to play the game with you. Get it for free, guys. That's the second time she played the game. She get it for free.
Waistline is saying no, but yeah.
Oh, he's making one of the lanterns. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. Very cool. Ah, better. Thank you. Very nice. Oh, look at these. Yeah, the lion, tiger. Oh, pumpkin.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, you got all of them.
Oh, lovely.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Yeah. So yeah, made from pumpkin. Right, we just chuck our food away.
Oh, something else to do with the pumpkin.
Yeah. And that there's something going on over to our left somewhere. Got a hotel here. Let's have a little look. So you've got wings over there. No, okay, no more. You've got the old, what's that, a goat?
Pegasus.
Pegasus, okay. Just Pegasus. Oh no, Pegasus is the big one. And what's the one underneath? Oh, it's just a Pegasus statue. Okay.
Chimera, which is a mixture of a lion, goat, and a snake.
Okay. Very cool. Where's the snake then? Let's have a see where the snake is. Is it the body? I hope you lot can see that quite clearly. Got the wings there for a picture. Wow, where do we go? Where do we go? Let's go this way. You can hear some really loud music though. Love to be able to see what it is. But guys, make sure you subscribe, yeah? We've got the old camels. We try to. So you've got Kemer 2025. You can hear music, so like, we're like walking towards the music. But here's the beach as well. So we're at the beach first. Oh, go on, Sabrina, go on quickly. She wants to be seen. There we go. Lovely. Perfect. Did you say thank you very much?
It's just me.
She wants to be polite. So okay, here's the beach anyway. Got a little lighthouse at the end, red lighthouse. I did want to walk around that way, but maybe there's nothing really around there. Yeah, so here's the hearts anyway. So you can see the hearts. Let's walk through it quickly so you can have the effect of the heart. Alright, obviously they're playing copyright music down here, so we're gonna have to talk up, or I don't know. Sounds quite loud. Got them lanterns in the sky as well. Little doggies chilling out. Very cool doggies. Most of the time this music's coming from the back of a hotel, so not really much you can really do. We'll see. Let's go and see these lanterns quickly. So it is coming from the back of a hotel. So let's talk for the sake of talking. So we've got a club down there. So guys, let me know where you like to come when you come to Antalya. Where do you like to stay? Where do you like to go to on your nights out? We quite like, actually I don't know what I like at the moment. This is our first time actually being there, so I have no idea what I really like. Like I said, first time we're here. We will be coming back next year, early season, so we can get enough information for you guys for the 2026 season. So we'll be here very early to show you guys everything. We'll be showing you guys prices of the new clothes in the shops, and we'll be showing you all of the new bars, all of the new restaurants. We'll be showing you everything. So make sure you're subscribed and you ring that notification button. Ring the notification button, press the bell, do everything that you normally do. Share the video to your family and friends. And yeah, you won't miss anything. So guys, thank you once again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.